If you're looking for a Hostgator coupon code so you can get Hostgator hosting at a discount so you can begin in creating a website or blog, I'll be providing you with a Hostgator promo code to enter at checkout to save you money. The Hostgator coupon code discount will get you up to 60% off Hostgator hosting, plus a free domain name for annual plans, and for non-annual plans, you'll only pay $4.99 for the domain name for the first year instead of $12.99. To get your Hostgator coupon code discount of up to 60% off, click the link below in the description, and you just need to enter the Hostgator promo code CUPID60 at checkout. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostgator at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostgator discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be at the Hostgator homepage. Click the Get Started button. You'll see 3 different plans: the Hatchling, Baby, and Business plan. The Hatchling plan is a good plan if you're planning on having one website. The Baby plan is good if you are planning on having multiple sites, as it allows unlimited sites. The Business plan includes unlimited sites along with a free dedicated IP, free upgrade to a positive SSL, and their free SEO Toolstar add-on. You can always upgrade or downgrade to a different plan at any time. Select the plan you would like and click the Get Started button. Next, scroll down to the Enter a Coupon Code section and replace the Hostgator promo code that is there with CUPID60 to apply the Hostgator coupon code offer of up to 60% off. Next, scroll up to choose a hosting plan. Under Billing Cycle, you will see the Hostgator discount listed for the length of time you can purchase Hostgator hosting for. As you can see, you will get the greater discount the longer you purchase hosting for. At the bottom of the page under the Review Order Details, you will see the domain registration showing as free for annual plans and $4.99 for non-annual plans. You can now continue in filling out your information with the details needed to get Hostgator. Enjoy your Hostgator coupon code promo discount to get 60% off Hostgator web hosting. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting tutorial videos. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.